Welcome back to Ghouls Garage, guys. Today I'm working on the interior. I'm going to take off this piece here and then all the headliner and all these interior pieces around the windows. Here, this door panel is already off. Got all this trim back here and this door panel over here to take off. So I'll get back with you guys when I take all this stuff off. I got the rest of the interior out, all the side panels, and I got the headliner out. You see the nice wood bows. I thought that was pretty cool, and I was wondering what this stuff is. This stuff original insulation, or if that was someone that put it in? I was wondering that, but here's what it looks like. So, as you can see, rumble seat is also out with all the side panels here. Next project is to take off the vinyl top for the Model A. There is 2 screws here that I'm going to take out, right here and here. And then I'm just going to pry it out with a screwdriver. Because as you can see, someone tried to caulk it all and did not do the best of job. So we're going to tear it off and redo it. This is the new stuff, and this was the old stuff. So we're replacing that with all this. It's all stained and everything. It did not come like this, but we decided, yeah, why not make it look nice, because it's going to be a little bit till we put interior in it. So here's all the bows that goes across. So it goes up here. As you can see, a piece of wood is still left. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's painted black right now, but right there. And then this side is already taken out. It was connected with this, so that fell down. And that piece already came out. So we might have to rework this a little bit, because I had to pry that piece out. So we'll rework that, and the bow top would get put in today. Alright guys, I'm in the Model A now. We got most of the wood in. We just got to put the wood bows in yet. As you can see, they're up here. I just wanted to show you how we put it together. There's not many videos out there of how to do this. Headers in, you screwed that in. Gotta put a few screws here yet. Those 2 spots. Under here we gotta put a few screws and nails in yet. But next I'm doing the wood bows. Here, let me grab one. The fatter wood bow in the kit goes to the back, the very back. You can even see the hole is bigger on the back than the ones up front. These wood bows, they fit in really nice. And you just put your screws in there, which I have right here. Screwed in. The header looks like outside, so it faces, as you can see.